Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on Blogger, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a floating contact form in your Blogger website. So as you can see, I have a floating button like this. When I click on it, it will open a contact form in a pop-up window and it is fully mobile responsive. So let me switch to mobile view, and this is how it looks on mobile. And let me click on this, and it is fully responsive. User can enter their name, email address and contact you through this pop-up contact form. So let's check how you can integrate it to your Blogger website. So for this, all you have to do is just go to your Blogger dashboard, click on theme, and here before making changes, make sure to take a backup of your theme code so that in case if you do any mistake, you can reverse it back. Now let's click on edit HTML. Now you need to search for the closing body tag. Just scroll to the end of this theme code and just search for the closing body tag and paste a code just before that. So let me paste that, and here you need to make some changes. So here you need to enter your email address where you want to receive the entries. So let me quickly replace my email address here. Now you can see the placeholder name as well. You can change that as well. Now let me hit save, and let's click on this pop-up contact form. Let me add name, email address and send a test message. Alright, now let's submit the contact form. And this is a fast time setup, so you need to verify your email address. So you need to activate the form. So let's log into the email. So if you have not received the email, then make sure to check the spam folder as well. So let me click on that, and here is the action required active form submit. So let me click on activate form, and your form is activated. Now anyone can enter their name, email address and you can receive your emails. So let's go back to email. Let me click on report not spam. Now let's click on here, and now you can replace your email address with this random string as well. So let me copy this, and let's go to theme code edit. Now you can replace this email address with the random string. So this step is optional. If you don't want to refill your email address in the source code, then you can use this string as well. Now let's hit save. Alright, your form setup is completed. Let me click on view blog, and you can display this floating contact form button in the right side as well. So for this, let's click on inspect, and here you can see the button, and this is the code for the button. So let me change that to right. Like this, and as you can see, now the button is changed to right side. So you need to change this value from left to right in media screen and the normal CSS code. So make sure to change that value. So let's go to theme, click on edit HTML, and here make sure to change this left value to right, and then you need to find the button CSS as well, and this is the custom floating button. Make sure to change from left to right, and after that the button will start showing in the right side. Now let's close this, and let me click on this button, and let me enter my name, and let me add an email address. Let me click on send message. Now the form is submitted. Now you can check your email. Let's go to email, and let me click on go back, and here you can see new form submission. Just click on that, and this is the email address that you have received from your website. So this is how you can add a contact form which is floating, and in this way you can get more leads from any page of your website, and you just don't have to go to contact page to contact you through email. So this is helpful if you are providing any type of services through your website, and user can easily contact you through the contact form. Let me know if you face any issue during this setup process, and if you found this type of content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.